Welcome to the Weather Centre, everyone. The weekend is upon us, so let's see what the final hours of this Friday hold in store. And there are two cold fronts currently affecting South Africa, the first of which is moving through the central parts of the country. Ahead of it, some cloud cover developed over KwaZulu-Natal's eastern parts, and there were even a few drops of rain for some places. Showers have continued to move in over the far western parts of the country, and we're expecting more rain this evening as that next cold front will be moving through. And we can see this on the futurecast. As the front moves over the southwestern parts, quite a bit of rain expected tonight. Otherwise, cold and dry weather expected over the central parts overnight, and a few showers are likely to spread towards the southern coastline in the early hours of tomorrow. As we head into Saturday afternoon, clearance will start taking place over parts of the northern and western Cape. Now, the South African Weather Service continues to issue the warning for high seas, which are expected for this evening between Cape Point and Port Alfred. Seas may exceed 6 meters across this area. Let's take a look now at the rainfall probabilities, and there is still a slight chance for a bit of light rain in places over the eastern parts of KZN. Those chances of rainfall will be dissipating overnight. Up to a 60% chance for showers over the southwestern parts with that second front moving through. But as we head up the west coast and further inland, chances of rainfall will be decreasing. De Aard in the Northern Cape, on the other hand, remaining dry tonight. Bloemfontein will also be dry, temperature dropping well below freezing overnight, -4 degrees with light southwesterly winds. And tomorrow is going to be a cold and crisp day. 13 degrees will be the maximum temperature, clear skies with southwesterly winds continuing to blow across the central parts. Now, wind speeds are gradually going to be decreasing over the southern portions of South Africa after a couple of windy days in that area. And with the cold front making its way up the eastern coastline, we'll see fresh southwesterly winds following closely behind us, while lighter winds will also settle in along the west coast. Temperatures now overnight are expected to drop below freezing for most of the Free State, the Northwest Province, as well as into some parts of the Northern Cape, indicated by the darker shades of blue. 8 degrees for Mbombela on the other hand, and a cold night for Johannesburg, dropping down to 2 degrees. Tomorrow afternoon will be quite cold for most of the country, and we see the cooler air also stretching all the way through to northern Gauteng, Pretoria at 19. In the Lowveld, on the other hand, another lovely day expected. Temperatures in the mid to upper 20s and perhaps even lower 30s for some areas. Now, on Sunday, we're expecting it to be dry across the country. Cooler air will also spread into the Lowveld, at that stage partly cloudy with maximum temperatures in the lower 20s. And on Monday, sunny skies will dominate across South Africa and temperatures recover for most.
You deserve to know more.
eNCA.com